Welcome to the DealerTeam Success Community. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to create and manage your support cases. A case is a log description of your question or issue that's reviewed and resolved by a DealerTeam support agent. Before creating a case, we recommend checking the Success Community Answers section. You'll find self-help articles, training courses, and common solutions. If you still need help or if you encounter a technical issue, bug, or error message, it's time to create a case. First, make sure you're logged into the DealerTeam Success Community. Go to the Cases tab and then click New. Enter a clear subject and write a detailed description. You can log in the steps you took so we can try to reproduce the error. If the error is related to a record, you can link it to the case. Select the priority level and status. Choose the application that was affected and, if applicable, select the work. Click Save to create your case. After submission, you'll be taken to the Case Details page. Here you'll see important information like priority, status, case number, case feed, and related items. The case feed is where communication happens. You can upload files, leave comments, and reply to agent updates. To contact a specific agent, use an add mention with their name. Their replies will appear right under your message. The Related tab shows supporting documents like articles, attachments, or case history linked to your case. Watch your case status to stay updated. If it says waiting for customer, the agent may need more information from you. Once resolved, click the Close Case tab. Select the Close status and click Save. If you accidentally close a case or just need to reopen it, select Reopen Case. And that's it, you're now ready to create and manage support cases in the DealerTeam Success Community. Thanks for watching.